to me, it's about bringing back knowledge that has always been within Te Ao Māori. So one of the projects of Rangahau that I'm wanting to look at is Whāngaitanga, and how that is related, how that relates back to the knowledge of our people, and how do we incorporate that knowledge in today's society and in practice. So that means looking about, well, what did they do back in those days? And so that's the research that the Rangahau that I want to do, is to be able to incorporate all that knowledge today, maybe to enhance, perhaps to enhance my practice. So what is the significance? It's about new knowledge. It's about new knowledge. It's about old knowledge coming to the forefront and becoming new knowledge in today's society. Whāngaitanga is a big, huge issue that we have within the Department of Social Welfare, Social Work, and being able to have a look at, well, what did our people do back then? And how can we do that today within child, youth and family, areas like that, within health, within mental health, within counselling, within whānau. How do we bring those topics back? And that's my whole background of my life of being adopted. So I've incorporated all that sort of stuff today. My wife and I currently, we whāngai 5 children. My oldest daughter has a whāngai child. My sister-in-law has 2 whāngai babies, and that's since we started to do this Rangahau research around, well, what does Whāngaitanga look like? I live it, I breathe it, and that's what it is to me and my whānau. It's about our people, our tamariki, and how we can move them forward.